I'm going to start with the cherry tomatoes. And what you need are about 3 cups of cherry tomatoes, a quarter of a cup of olive oil. You know me, not measuring. Totally typical. I've got fresh parsley. One of the things I'm really enjoying about the food box is that I don't have to go to the grocery store and pick, but it also inspires me to cook from my fridge and get out of my comfort zone and try something new. So this is fresh parsley. This is the Italian parsley. It has more flavor than curly parsley. Personally, I think curly parsley really only belongs as a garnish. It's great under fried foods because it absorbs the oil. I just don't think it has any flavor. So I'm going to toss in the fresh parsley, and then I don't want the garlic to burn while I'm roasting it. And garlic, when it's roasted, gets nice and sweet, as long as you don't burn it. So the trick for that I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to smash the garlic clove. I'm going to toss it in there, and it's just going to infuse that nice garlicky flavor into those cherry tomatoes. So that's it. And I mean, who doesn't love a recipe that's that simple, but is going to taste so delicious? Okay. So then I'm going to put them in my pan or my baking dish. And I'm going to cook them on a fairly high heat. I think, yeah, 425. And I'm going to put them in now, and they'll start to break down. And first they'll let off a lot of juice, but the high heat is going to help some of that juice evaporate. And that's when they get that super sweet, super delicious flavor, and the texture kind of changes, and a lot of the moisture, as they pop, the moisture will come out, but then it'll evaporate and get that like really concentrated flavor. Okay, you can tell I'm excited to eat these. That's those. I mean, that's pretty. Oh, and I'm just thinking, if I have leftovers, I can mix that with some baby bocconcini, add some balsamic vinegar, just toss that up. Oh, delicious.